saying
Kabina yɛnyinaa no wohwɛ yɛ bɔbrɛ mu asa bibifu a megiri sɛ ade a nneya ifa ne sɛ mɛma ne mma da mɛma ne mɛma bɛda na sɛ mma ne mma bɛda ana wɔn bɛware ne deɛ ɛyɛ ade anka yɛkyiwadeɛ bibima mu in general. So that's and precisely in Ghana no ɛyɛ ade a the three basic religions what has the traditional religion, Muslim and the Christian religion yɛnyinaa no sɛbi
obi amfa so
obi anu ha sɛbi ogisa ne yɛde tum ɛno nti no megidi sɛ nka ade we kra de nka yɛdi kwan kra sɛ man mmerɛ so ati sɛ man mmerɛ kra so ɛwɔ yɛ ma yɛ mu ne akodru parliament hɔ kra so ati sɛ nti no for me I believe the ekoso no anya ne kwan so ano no ne kwan so ano no se be hye homra kete ya mu nukra ya chiwade dada o ma we mu ya chiwade nti se e be kwakodu parliament no de ama we num nyina di anase ekoso no kabana eye abanya atwa mu union no MPP fo no bo ye de nhihye ne kodan o mu se ko mu hye mra no kete se de bi obi biara obe ye na adwen se wo kɔ saa chiwade no ho bia no nka asotwe bi ayeden e wo ha ma no na no no be den e be di che nkrofo na e be si nkrofo ho kwan e be bo nkrofo hu se omo no betu saa anamo no no be saa niye no. But at the end of the day ko wi mampani apono so no se bi want me enforce anyoyo so afa nkrata afa pen an hyase amana amanyemra eno na yenso as at that time near war opposition yenso sabi ya magana 40 omo ho asese modaroma so obutumi de tumi ne mayan ye ba ye de betumi amana yemra kete se obi biara obe sabi obebo no humusuo so o yes an ye de bibia no ye be asotwe no ebe o haba no eno na ye ba ye kruchire mra anasa bio no ye de akodan parliament omo so aye readings na akodu omatoso aba na sese de akase akodu mampani mo de churu dia be science nka abayemra na no na the speaker of the house ye papa alamba Alban Babin say kwan kwa fa so to so aba di hu komo wo parliament house no o de toto o just suppose no what the city emusi yo money mo parliament ho na sabi ntwa yie nti no se be ya enka omo nsan hwe mu biem na because as at the time omo to so ba no na the quorum ni no be to say broni for be quorum say before say beto some kan bi so aba no e wo say afane nyina no dodo na ya den e wo 2/3 of the parliamentarians should be available and around and some to me after so aba na ohwe we no ankonesa ankonesa and mampani kwan so asesudua say no kre they did not form a quorum and some moto so aba no ntin ke be ya yes ani hu nkomo biem na no na union MPP for no so say go mo hwe nsesaye bi aba emranimu a wo say nkomo kofa dada no na ye tuso aba keke na nke be yemra but obi be busa wo say that den munim ya kabo mo sere employ munim ho aga bo sere employ because na mo opepa no say mo de sa mra ne be ba ene nke kodu mo mampani da na do dan kokufu ado pono so no enka mo be hye ne kete ana say mo kura mo be den mo be ene be jam tutahudie papa so masa mra na abaye adwuma but at the end of the day dey na esi ye
but what can say no and justify what the president why the entire president unsigned say o masesa mra ne bi no enti o mo pa o mo kofa dada no o mo kofa no mum no o mo pass
that is why I mean your make say o mo wo pepa
okay
senka ene o mo fight say mra no ye be mra e ko mo penso no ko mo ma ne ye mra
okay
but what you imagine
but say o
ma hypocrisy
nese comment some rana na say
yes munya akonya ana akonya bia wo senka bobetu bi de mo kan na yi no abaye mra na nka Ghana fo nyina agi atum
okay sakrai na mo kan no
okay so ati ase na nka mo de akọ enwumanim na nka abaye mra but at the end of the day dia na mo ehu ne ye ekodan mampani apono so mrebebre mo de nsem bi yi ne ho ano so nkrofo bi di asem na kodan court nti gem train ma court ni di asem ni wie ansa na o de pen tro di abesan ase o de asan ase eko wie chire na days number of days bi on di no ne pro so no na ama bi on na den I expire den no de dey what I say nti yan ya bayi di chinchira mo hye kete mean we no clearly tells us and I say a chire in prefer say even the mo de kodan mo mampani na do dan kokufa do nkra no na mo ni gidie wom and I say na mo bonyo so na mo de kodan no if this se mo na mo bojo so say emra ma ye mra de a na nka mo be hye omampani no kete ma na yeden e de ayemra e ma na de ayemra anti krokro da dwan futu na mo to gu Ghana fo ani yes futu na mo to gu Ghana fo ani but if you read the details of the bill now there are some aspects of the bill for me as a lecturer and as a media person me just say na omo de na emwa
okay na hu hia so we yan sachre
yes
nti na ensisan na ba no fata
yes ensisan na fata
okay
dey ntina make us say me one example say nyame mfasa ma obi koye sabi tumutumu yibi na onya problem a health problem na say na pomodin ho to chema na okọ hospital doctor ni na obedan ho adi say wo sasa nipa ne yare no na mra ne di no say yemfa no koto fi ase of course you am drobes wo ha say you to do omko your friend say hospital me yokosa omo yare ada ne yanchi sa doctor say omo so mo yeboni because omo tuti am drobes so I say because who treat am drop no obafia or sabe to na dwumadi so enu tade na sa doctor ni treat no into that aspect of the bill only for me to champion na me no mo nya adwene then again almost lawyer crowd now ube available who say obi akoye LGBTQI no wo so mra no di obi ntia no so be to fiase what be that enka minu nya eto so bio minu akwabenate ha ya ono so no pe watch na dwom ya o friend say o moduro ti show yi na say ensam ni ba ko bi be fam na koye LGBTQI+ ono so complicit na ono so ye de na koto fiase that aspect of the bill for me I don't side with them obi fum ko obi use fum nya so I say nti so obi ba ebia ne genetical makeup no wakoye binas wakoye yare na doctor ni a ono no ne dia ne se omma ayaresa na o ho na ye de nipa na ba na so hwe na wo se yenkoko che ntum and that
doctor for some ran also so e chere say o say obi ba wo ho a patient ba
dia so hwe no
so na sem ni so de to bedwa
at all so what I say that confidentiality no you swear an oath say obi biara wo besa na yare bia no you dare not bring that only in term commodity be be so no and say nipa third party bia den etibie enti na wo kwhye ne mra kete say okoye ko treaty obi sa no a wo de ba akoto fi ase no na wo chichire ne nsa gu na chi abone yam ana sa opeso
but also can the MPs tell us say yes abrei na omuhu sa clauses na e wo say omusu sa no ana
MPP for na American NDC for na MPP for
omunyu me no nyina fa no nyina say ka fa no nyina
say okay what's your point Kwabena because say if indeed those clauses were enshrined in the
NDC
NDC for no so anya I'm pointing out no this aspect of the bill no there
no come president on sign as almost na fidie
so I say that's also an issue because munim prefer senka e mo anka mo besesa no na nkrofo wo ya no even during the first reading you could have pointed it out so I deal with this aspect of the bill the moment because so doctor need to be na say the yare for be command so ko hena so no ye betu na kotum dia na bill no o say ye den ye hwe ne biu lawyer ni bi kodi nipa na asem ma no asem di bia na so o say betu the lawyer na kotum ye betu the journalist na kotum so wo ka ho asem dia na o say ye hwe ne ye den ye hwe ne biu and ni na no obo they overlooked it so they say they turned blind ears to eyes to those things and then akodan ho and NDC for na bamu yes no yehwe bill na no those clauses no I was say dey ya mende no because obitin ba bi o san nkrofo yare o tumi fa no kotum so akasa obi yare journalist mi ne cabinet he ya odi ne dwuman na sasam ne ba na se ho ye ne ba no o ka bia o tumi ba che no fa hankofu gunu sa so nkoda fi ase mfe miensa adan akoka LGBT ho asem lawyer need the same thing so enu nyuma ko bia sabe bi o mo bo ho da roni ade no de omo de ndi betumi ahwe ne ahwe ne bio those aspects of the clause no sorry of the bill no eno na me no omunya adwene nti no so ye papa gbabon say yen hwe na yen di hu komo biem so ati say na yen hwe ni yie ni me gidi say de ne kwan so ano no mampani kwan so de na no atum his excellency de na no atum say yen hwe ni yen hwe ni biu because idea way idea said in your introductory when you can you know it will go a long way has a long way to what go no ye dia ni ye ni ye preko say the be at the end of the day aban foforo bi ma no so de enkotungu and pressure groups be to because sorry baby so I say because I deal with microphobia say be no mo shekire so o be sorry say na say nkra no ye de bosen nkra ma mo biem budgetary your friend is a surplus and as budgetary support e ma mo ye fa bibi e ma mo bi because ma ja to say obi bia obedi say adwuma we bia no ye fa ye crucify no
okay
so ati ase e ba sa no so a human rights abuse almost be sorry human rights activists almost be sorry aka say ne da bi mu tietie nkrofo bi fa hu die so.
But another school of thought, I should say, say MPs in him said no among formal quorum, and I'm passing, yeah, and you didn't tell you the John no more. Because I know so said definitely. And I'm saying, the first I say, I pass it
now to please who?
Okay,
what do I say? No pass it to please who? Because you knew, say the quorum, no, you didn't form quorum. And then why rush? Why the rush? So I say, why the rush? And you want to please Ghanaians. Say, after all, I pass a bill. Matters of this nature are very sensitive.
Very, very sensitive.
Very, very sensitive. And for that matter, say, be here, mbra, another bill beer. For no ninano, Sabi, when the partisan approach be here. Going on the antennae. You knew who come first reading, Ubia, Obu, issue biana about doubtful and answer questionable. On pointing out, you need whom come out, you said you can't pay for kind. I've been back for trim. So I say, no, you knew who boo, now you're more than tougher. Who say, I can't say any of the first way bedding, a boy, because in Chimana Abano, Sabi, I want to say, a friend say, young penny for you, Cacrayo, or my, you know, the best Mubiano Moyo. So I say, the Pamubian, Jensies, what I say, especially the young who social media cried out, say certified, or with me. Will be out in Canada. And you know, matters of this nature, must say our parliament, you know, say, Papa say, young be ma'am. And I'm not one saying quite.
Okay.
And it's better than never.
On the issue of sponsorship now, say, about Sam George say Kenya took our bill. Peja ye bill say team in total and pass here. But still they are being sponsored.
They've been sponsored by
international communities.
Sure. And you know, say no, and no natural say environment hano no maybe because what you was sabotage was system nim bebre you dey no be share dumuni adan.
Okay.
So I say because bonnet in chrome now say one we are potent enough chrome now one resources no what mean add value you are gaining what you are supposed to gain when you sika e boa economy. You need this body be as a boy LGBT activist. About free Nkrumah be catch you say me fa sika bia ma. Meanwhile you are self-dependent. Okay. You are self-reliant. O de ho. O yo bia onyuma o mabunu nya adwuma ye o manfo ntu kwan kokrofo bebre enkogu ho sabe ye padwuma ye enko siki asalom ne ho. Sa nyama ne bamu a na those activists no o mo bam. So there's some kwan mo nkrofo kra gugu man nkrofo man so ye padwuma ye nya binya. Utukrom ha se chinchina me hye samra we. What I say? Meanwhile you need them. We are saying that was the same. Obi. Nobody, no country is an island. Even in America, so many world superpowers in the crown. They depend on China for so many things. So I say, and you know, and no so interest. Baby, our baby, economy, more society. We should swallow it hook, line, and sinker. It will not help. It will not help. This bill, no idea. Mestre our parliamentarians. So, tenants bill. Review whatever there is that they want, they need to review. Now, so I say there are a few instances because we know genetically, so that naturally, but I know that is not to tell them say they should go and do what trumu. And your body, your friend is saying, expression, body gestures, and what behavior on the NSM. But I don't know interest or Bema Kodano.
But when the Billy, in fact, initially no, not me support to our bill because I can't say I say one more yen who do. But I dear my see or so many say, oh yeah, one more masculine.
Yes,
but one yet could be for the
but I want to go
to so no interest or your bar and I say ebia or bar features so Bema pa but oh my emergency ni Bema to no befa sanko for no and na omo man look lucrative or the sikabe that down tiabo fro krampa no this cash no.
My understanding is that it's going on in the various campuses for chiri sponsor students especially omo munisika no Kwarano the identify such students, you know. If you are able to join us, if you decide to join us, we will give you such amount of money. You be hostel bill, you be school fees, you be to your amount, and it's so enticing. So we students, we say we fear our free mobile. now so be making such proposal. So remember we say at the end of the day, the OS we are say brother join this network and this group. Now you will say yeah. And people are falling for it.
Tumu so a network.
Share.
No. Now when that day.
I said that is the reward on the man meet your school fees, meet your hostel fees. It become a bit casting now.
Really?
Of course. Yeah, parties, organized parties in our clandestine areas. Nippon.
Some fun was here. Sorry, any soldier for crime.
I don't think I'm running around. What I say? I don't think I'm running Emra. Now, in detail, those people from going into such acts because say a Makwai and be dominant in the society. Then people will just what? It will attract people to join. I did was only a real case in them. Taught us here. Oh, Namna Sabi, a phone cow. Now, the only toy you man and no man was it. Too bad. Oh, cancer. You are prone to cancer. San no more winner. Anything, Emrano, dear mistress or Montas ye. Yes, more beyond funny. The selfish interest beyond Bibia, Tefan be Aquaji, Bibia, MSC Samra, who can, or Montanase, as members of parliament, near Shem Ranamuye. Now, clauses be almost a bubble M1, in film, the Babua society, any in Chirimano, or Monfan and can't be on, or my peninsula shim on in the 7 pound, or and shim word by word. Now, I am from Ninsay and Chassis or the Chassis in a bar. Mijis a babua because Gen Z will know my bad idea. I know Denny. Omoni and I know the so only bit say no man tinti. And I say no man has a money. And no man so I say. First, and then the pastor student can walk up to you as a lecturer and can be oh, say. And I don't move out and I down for no. Or Bowen direct without fear of favor or Bowen the canal. You know, I call so pimple. I was better. Oh, they used to guess certain gestures. Okay, as always psychologically we inclined that. But you understand, saying Nippon is up to. But at the end of the day, but so for some of us, we have self-control, higher self-control. Therefore, yes, you will not fall for those. We launch out to Pamo. So how soon? Because say they see come for consideration and reconsideration. I think majority leader now as a drug issue. But I think they should give it a thought. Now maintenance because I do they shouldn't take partisan approach. We party as we know my morning now yasam. What I say, and it will affect generations yet unborn. Intino, very, very tactful. Now, Montanas, you should build him. Here, so I did when I and 7 years in the air. So I say, but yeah, to I'm in Chilima, so I think about boy in Chilima. Okay, so now you know, Yantanas from Jim Nordum because said the number can corner this. I don't move Janus, I had a harding. Go here, we can media on common, so we can media so now in Kofu when and I'm saying Yan Shem Brackety into new maybe or more media as it's so devastating. It's appalling. It is heartening. And for that matter, I was here. We have seen a second look at the bill. They should invite all stakeholders on board. And maybe I am a parliamentarians. The Jama or Monkwana Yana. Council of State, the clergy. So, him for woman. So, their input should be considered. Or their input should be sorted. Friend is a source. Now, you who say, I didn't want a comprehensive. You will be a you for no DNA, a him for Nanano DNA, a software DNA, politicians and so young so often. Nayan Sigina, who said, no, dear Corno, yeah, dear Bobo mining in Chirima. And yet, Sabian Yabration Kwanza, the Bay and Sabakoya Nunti, and yet to home and Chilima, yet to home generations yet unborn. Okay. What I say? And until now, Kakramis Maka, Gemini, okay, to Poyando, let us say, oh, I'm pretty